I just got my Ride the Highlands map. It's the Highlands in Ontario, and it's a motorcycle map. There's lodging, there's different routes. They give color-coded routes. So this goes Algonquin Park through Ottawa, Renfrew area, Barry's Bay, down to near Brockville, Ontario. And you can see there's 10 top roads, 10 reasons to ride the Highlands. It's great for motorcycle rides in the summertime. Beautiful area to discover. So that is Ride the Highlands, and you can get there on Facebook. You can go to the ridethehighlands.ca website, order a free map, and it'll point out the motorcycle routes for you.